Welcome to the realm of YouTube Shorts, where creativity meets opportunity. Ever wondered how to profit from this platform? Here's your guide in 60 seconds. First, create engaging content. The more captivating your shorts, the more viewers you attract. Remember, viewership equals revenue. Next, join the YouTube Partner Program. You need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Yes, it's not a walk in the park, but it's worth the hustle. Thirdly, monetize your shorts. You can earn through ads, channel memberships, or merchandise shelf. Balance it out so your viewers aren't overwhelmed. Lastly, consistency is key. Regularly upload shorts to keep your audience engaged. That's it, folks, your guide to making money from YouTube Shorts. Turn your passion into profit and let the journey begin. Now go create some magic.